Good morning, everybody. It is Shawn Marie, and I have my September 2024 bargain bead box. So if anyone does not know what the bargain bead box is, it's a monthly beading subscription that is sent right to your door. You pay $22.99 and you get all kinds of beads and goodies. So this is the September box. I'm going to open it up and we are going to take a peek inside and see what we got. So it always comes with a theme. This month's theme is Mystic Moonrise. And we have 19 items. The value of this box is $89.32, and like I said, we pay $22.99 for the box, so that's an amazing deal. We get beads and findings and just all kinds of stuff to put together. Beautiful, beautiful sets of jewelry. It is not a kit. You don't have to put something specific together. It is just a collection of beads that work really well together and help to inspire you to use your creativity and come up with something very, very pretty. So this month's box has a pretty little gray organza bag. I see that we have antique copper findings. Excuse me. Looks very pretty so far. So I'm just going to pause for 1 second and organize this, and I'll be right back. Okay, we have that all organized. So starting with item number 1, we have a 30mm labradorite teardrop pendant. And this is indicative of the gray bag that we received. Generally our mesh bag does kind of coordinate with what our box is going to be or what it contains. So it's a good size pendant. It does have the flash. I don't know if you can see it on there very well, but there is that nice labradorite flash. It is a flat back. The hole is drilled at the top. So that'd be pretty for wire wrapping or even gluing to something else, because it does have that nice clean flat back. So there's pendant number 1, well, item number 1. Item number 2 is a 2-piece 17.5 by 10mm lapis lazuli faceted teardrops. That would be these. I just happen to have a couple of teardrops about this same size that are the labradorite, so I may be adding those into mine. Those are really, really pretty. You can see the beautiful goldstone coloring in it. It's got the nice little flecks of gold going through. Really nice faceting. Make a real pretty pair of earrings. So there's that. Number 2. I really like those a lot. I like this gray and blue bag. It's really a unique combination. So an 8mm labradorite round beads, 15-inch strand, and that is our number 3 bag. And they're very, very, very generous with the quantities of items. I mean, this is a full 15-inch strand of labradorite beads. And they're very pretty. You can see the flash in them. You can see the beautiful color striations and flecks and just different tones. Really, really pretty big strand of beads. So just pull this up. Put it in like that. So that's number 3. Number 4 is a 4mm faceted agate heated and dyed round beads, 14-inch strand. And that is this, and it is called Midnight Mix. So it's got that beautiful mix of the blues and the grays, but it's some pops of yellow and green. And excuse me, I have been sick all week. I'm just starting to get a little bit on the mend, so I do apologize for the way I sound and for the constant coughing. Isn't that a pretty mix of beads right there? Look at that. Oh, I love that one right there. That's my favorite. It's a beautiful little teal color. So pretty. Nice size bead to work with. Cute mix. I love the color. Look at that. There's even like a garnet colored one in there. That is a really pretty mix. Very unique. Do like that. Number 5 is a 3mm labradorite faceted round beads, 15-inch strand. So we have some more labradorite beads. This time we have the faceted little 3mm. They're not quite as dark a gray as the others. A little more on a silver tone. All that faceting makes them very sparkly. Super pretty. Yeah, I like that a lot. So there is number 5. Okay. Number 6. 10mm lapis lazuli matte round beads, 7.5-inch strand. And I think I just misplaced my number 6. Was that it? That is not number 6. Oh, there it is. Back there. I don't think I've ever gotten lapis lazuli in a matte. Gosh, that's pretty. That is really beautiful. Oh, I love that. That's such a smooth, cloudy, such a pretty blue tone. Pretty, pretty, pretty. I do enjoy a matte bead, I have to admit. There is that beautiful addition. Iris, honey, lay down. And so we are on to number 7, which is an 8x5mm larvikite round beads, and this is a 7-inch strand. And it is a rondelle, so it has that little bit of a squashed bead look. These are real pretty. Larvikite and yep, labradorite are a good combination together. Let's just move this little kitty cat out of the way here. These are going to be really, really pretty in there. I do like this a lot. That and these are going to go very, very well together. There is that one. Number 8 is an 8mm freshwater shell coin beads with AB plating, and it is 7 inches long, and I love these beads. This is probably my favorite bead in this whole bag. They are beautiful. They're so tiny, super dainty. They have this gorgeous AB finish on them. They're just so, so pretty. I love these. I definitely want more of this. And they're just a nice little pop of white to offset some of that gray and blue. Aren't those beautiful? Love them. Alright. So, number 9 is a 6mm glass round beads in matte indigo, and they are a 14-inch strand. This is very reminiscent of our lapis lazuli, just on a darker scale. These are really pretty as well, and it is a very long strand. Boy, they're very pretty midnight blue color. They go really, really well with our lapis. And I have a cat coming. Incoming! Very pretty blue. Gosh, that's a really color. Really color. Yep, that's a really color. That is a really pretty color blue. Alright, number 10 is the 6mm star cut crystal faceted beads in slate vitriol purple, and it is a 9-inch strand. Wow, that is a mouthful. Man, these are pretty. Oh my goodness. They pick up that blue, they pick up the grays, they even have a little bit of a champagne-y color to them. Aren't those pretty? Oh my goodness. Yeah. That makes this whole box just pop. So pretty. Okay, so that was number 10. We are on to number 11, which is a 2-piece 37mm filigree style crescent moon pendant. And we are starting to get into our metal components. We are into our metal components, I should say. Excuse me. And these are our filigree crescent moons. There are 2. Make a beautiful pendant. Make some really pretty big style earrings. They're really, really pretty. You could actually wire some of these pretty beads onto it. So this, maybe along the inside or something. Definitely some options there. I do like these. These are really pretty. Alright. I think I'm going to run out of cups here. Get too many of them going. So on to number, what was we at? Number 12. 10-piece, 24. 10-piece, 24 by 11mm filigree styled links. And we get 10 of them. And they are like a leaf. We've had these before, I do believe. I know I have some in my stash anyway. I think I have them in silver though. They're very good quality. Very strong. Of course, they're both sides because they're laser cut filigree. So those make a beautiful addition. So now we are on to number 13, which is a 20-piece 10 by 12mm star charms. Alright, let's see if I can figure out what I did. And I like these because they're just a very open little charm. You can hang from the top part, but you could also hang dangles out of the corners if you wanted to. And we do have quite a few of them, so that's going to be really nice. Very pretty. I'm kind of happy to see some antique copper. It's a nice change. Alright, I need to find some more of my little clear containers. I got some here that are dirty, but I'm going to use them. I apologize for the dirtiness of them. Where are we at now? We are on number... You know what? When I opened 12, which was, I thought, this one, That is not 12, that is 14. And it is a 10-piece filigree style leaf charms. Number 12 was a filigree lynx, and I opened the wrong one. So, where are we? Here we are. Which these are really, really nice. I have never had these before, and I do like them a lot. They are one-sided for the print. Boy, aren't those pretty. I really like these a lot. I think they're going to look very, very, very nice in with this whole box here. So that brings us to number 15, which is a 30-piece 6.5 by 3.5 millimeter patterned saucer spacer beads. So, okay. That is these. That is quite a little handful of them. Very pretty. They have a nice little patterned design on them. I think my camera wants to focus, but so there's that. And then we have number 16. That is a 30-piece 8mm dotted 4-leaf bead cap. And I know we've received these before. I have tons and tons of these in my stash. Same exact ones. But they're a really good, strong, durable bead cap. Very, very pretty. Yeah, they're just a standard bead cap, but very, very pretty ones. And there's that. So now on to number 17 is 4 sets circle patterned toggle clasps. And they're just your basic toggle clasp. They're a little on the smaller side than some. There's a little bit of a pattern on the bar. And just a little bit of a pattern on the loop itself. And that brings us down to number 18, which is just 20 pieces of steel clamshell bead tips. Same as we got last month, only in the copper tone. And whoop, I'm dumping them everywhere. And they're just the clamshell. Great item to have. I use lots and lots of these. So that brings us to our last item, number 19, and it is a 1 m 4 by 3 mm steel oval jewelry chain, and it is a very pretty, dainty little chain. I do like this chain a lot. You get lots of it. 1 meter. We'll make several necklaces or bracelets, whatever you decide to make with it. So that is everything for this month's box. So in addition to getting our box, we also get a 30% off coupon code that is good in our sister store, the sister store, I should say, not our. Sorry about that, I had to pause for a bit. So anyways, as I was saying, every month with our box, we get a coupon code that is good for 30% off an order, well, multiple orders. There goes my bead caps. Multiple orders in the sister store, Bead Box Bargains. So you can use the code over and over again if you're a subscriber and get the box and get the coupon code. So if you're interested, I do have an affiliate link in the more section of my Facebook of my YouTube channel page. Just under the fireball, there's a more section, and in that more section, you click on it, and it'll take you right to an affiliate link for the Bead Box Bargains, so that you can sign up to get these beautiful monthly boxes as well. And I do have a coupon code. It is CHAR2, CHAR2. If you put CHAR2 in when you order your first month's box, you'll save $2 off in it and get it for $20.99. And you can also use the coupon code CHAR2 for your first order in the sister store and get $2 off an order in that as well. So thank you guys all for joining me so much. Again, here is another look at our beautiful box. Let's take this off. And here comes Jinxie. What a beautiful, beautiful box. And of course the cat knocked my bead caps on the floor, so my bead caps are not included in here. And before they're through, they're going to have everything on the floor. Thank you all for joining me so much. Have a wonderful day. And again, if you haven't subscribed and would like to give it a try, use the coupon code CHAR2. Go to my affiliate link at the bottom of my Facebook page. I keep saying Facebook page, I'm sorry, my YouTube channel. And click on the more section and you could be a subscriber too and get all this beautiful goodness. Thank you guys. Have a great day. Bye.